What's up, guys? Good morning. We're at CVS and we are at a CVS EMAS. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip. CVS EMAS are usually cheaper than a regular CVS. So I'm coming to this one because I'm gonna get some stuff that is regular price. So I need to get it here just because it's cheaper than my regular stores. So let's go get these deals. All right, guys, first deal we're gonna be doing is gonna be part of the spend 30 and get $10 back in extra bucks. Now I do have this one CRT that takes $3 off 2 on the personal laundry, and it is part of the promotion. And then we also have these $2 off 1 coupons. So I'm gonna be grabbing 2 of these, and to match with this deal I am going to be grabbing 4 Tide Pods and using the $2 off 1 P&G coupons. Alright, so these are all the items that we're going to be grabbing, and then these are all the coupons that I'm going to be using for this transaction. Now let's do the math. So it's going to be $5.99 for the personal, and we're grabbing 2. And then the Tide Pods are $4.94, and we're getting 4 of them. So that's going to bring our total to $31.74. Now let's subtract that $3 off 2 CRT. Let's subtract $4 for the personal coupons, and then $8 for the Tide coupons. That's going to bring our total down to $16.74, and then we're going to get $10 back in extra bucks, making it only $6.74 for all 6 of these items. So that's going to be $1.12 each. Next deal I am going to be doing is going to be on the Kotex pads. Now these are on sale for $7.49, and then these are the big packs. So they're on sale for $7.49, and then I do have the CRT that when you spend $12 on the U by Kotex, you get $3 off. And I also have the $1 off paper coupons. So I'm going to be buying 2 of these packs. Okay, so the breakdown for this one is going to be $7.49 times 2 because we're getting 2 packs. And then we're going to take off the paper coupons, so minus $2. And then the CRT minus $3. That's going to bring our total to the $9.98. And we are only going to get back $3 in extra bucks. So minus $3 in extra bucks, and that's going to bring us to $6.96 for the 2 boxes. But if you guys have Ibotta, there is a $2 rebate for each box, so we're going to be getting back $4 from Ibotta, making it only $2.98 for 2 boxes, so $1.49 each. Okay, next deal is going to be on the Oral B toothbrushes. Now I did share this deal on my all digital deal video. I grabbed 2 of these and then 2 of the toothpaste, but I'm just gonna go ahead and grab 4 of the toothbrushes because this is a limit of 2, so it's buy 2 and get 3 extra bucks back. So I'll be getting back 6 extra bucks because I'm buying 4. So these are the 4 that I'm going to be grabbing, and they're all priced at $2.99, and there is a $5 off 3 digital coupon plus a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So I'm going to be using those 2 digital coupons together, and let's do the math. So it's going to be $2.99 times 4. That's going to bring our total to $11.96, and then we're going to subtract that $5 off digital, that $1 off digital, and then we're going to be getting, this is going to be our total after all the digital coupons, $5.96. That's what we're going to pay if we don't have any extra bucks to roll, and then we're going to get $6 back in extra bucks, making this purchase completely free. Next deal that we're doing is going to be on the Dove shampoo. Now they are on sale 2 for $8, and it says right here that when you buy 2, there is a $3 off CRT in the instant coupon center, which is like that big red machine that has the price scanner. So everyone should be getting this. If you've had your CVS account for more than like a week or 2, then you should definitely be getting this CRT printed out. And this is what that CRT looks like. I'm going to be using this CRT on top of this $2 off Dove shampoo CRT, and using this $3 off 2 paper coupon as well. So let's do the math. It's going to be $8 for 2 products, and then we're going to take off that $3 paper coupon, the $3 instant coupon, the CRT, and then that other $2 CRT. So it's going to make it completely free for both of these. Next deal is one of the reasons why we are here, because the Nexus is on sale when you spend $20 and you get $10 back in extra bucks. Now I knew this store would definitely be cheaper than like my regular CVS, so I am going to be grabbing 2 of these products that are priced at $11.49, and I do have this CRT that takes $4 off when we spend $18, and then we also have these $5 off 1 paper coupons that we just got this Sunday. So I'm going to be grabbing 2 of these and using these 2 coupons plus this CRT. Now let's do the math. It's going to be $11.49 times 2. That's going to bring our total to $22.98. Then we're going to subtract that $4 off 18 shampoo CRT. We're going to subtract $10 for those coupons, That's gonna bring our total to $8.98. And then remember, we're getting $10 back after we spend $20 on the Nexus. So we're gonna get $10 in extra bucks, making this a $1 moneymaker. Okay, next item I'm going to be grabbing is going to be for a double deal. I'm going to grab these Tresemme Shampoos. They are on sale 2 for $8. And when you spend $25, you get a $10 CVS gift card. So I'm going to be grabbing 2 of these. Okay, with the Tresemme, I'm also going to be grabbing this Hydro Silk Perfect Finish. This is priced at $19.99 and it's also part of the promotion. So these are the items that we're going to be grabbing for the spend $25 and get a $10 gift card. Now these are the coupons and CRTs I'm going to be using. It's going to be a $3 off 2 Tresemme paper coupon, a $5 off Chic Hydro Silk Perfect Trimmer, which is for this one, and then a $5 off 20 Any Shave, and a $2 off $2.50 off the Tresemme. Okay, so it's going to be $19.99 for the Chic Hydro Silk plus $8 for the Tresemme Shampoos, bringing our total to $27.99. Then we're going to subtract the $3 off 2 paper coupon for the Tresemme. We're going to subtract the $5 off 20 Any Shave CRT, that other $5 off CRT, and then $2.50 for the Tresemme CRT. So that's going to bring our total to $12.49. And then after we pay, we're going to get a $10 gift card, bringing our total to $2.49. But we also have an Ibotta rebate for $1.50 for each of these bottles. So we're going to get $3 back from Ibotta, making this a 51-cent moneymaker. Okay, next thing I'm going to be doing is going to be on these Gillette disposable razors. They're on sale for $7.99. And if you go to the coupon center, the red machine, like I mentioned earlier, we're all getting a $3 off instant coupon, which looks like this. Now this week, for some reason, I had 2 print. They're different. So this one's the instant one, and this one's just one that I guess printed out with my CRTs. So I'm going to be using both of these and grabbing one of these, making the razor only $1.99. Now for my last deal, I'm going to be grabbing a Dove body wash. They are priced at $8.99 here at this store. And then I'm also going to be grabbing 2 of these Dove men. They're priced at $8.69. And when you spend $20 on like the Dove body wash and all that, you'll get $5 back in extra bucks. So let's do the math. So these are the CRTs I'm going to be using. I'm going to use a $2 off 8 Dove body wash, and then a $3 off 18 Any body wash. I'm going to be using this paper coupon, $4 off 2 for the men body wash, and then a $1 off 1 for the regular Dove body wash. So the Dove men is priced at $8.69. And we're buying 2, and then the women's one is priced at $8.99. So our total is going to be $26.37. Then we're going to subtract the CRTs, $3 off 18, a $2 off 8. That's going to bring our total down to $21.37. Then we're going to subtract that $4 paper coupon, the $1 paper coupon, and we're going to end up paying $16.37, and then we're going to get $5 back in extra bucks. It's going to be $11.37 for all 3 of them, making it $3.79 each. Okay, now I definitely don't think that is like the best price for the Dove, but I have a friend who really likes that one, so I'm just grabbing it for her. But this is what my cart looks like. I'm all done and I'm getting ready to check out. So I got my cart full, and now I got all my CRTs and my coupons ready. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, here is my haul for the week. Have it all set up and ready for that thumbnail picture. Now, I did completely forget to mention this Scott toilet paper deal. I mentioned it in my digital deal video where they're on sale for $7.99. When you buy 2, you'll get a $5 extra buck because you need to spend $15. So buying 2, you do pass the $15 mark, and you'll get $5 in extra buck, making each pack only $5.49. So that is what I did here. I bought 2, and then I rolled a $5 extra buck, paid $10.98 plus tax, and then I got the $5 extra buck back. Now this deal went way better than expected because I completely missed that there is a $3 off one digital coupon for the Hydro Silk in the CVS app. So if you guys just see it pop up on my breakdown, that is why, because you guys can use that $3 one for this one, so it made it even more of a money maker. And just to show you guys, here is my receipt with everything on it. All the coupons came off perfectly, including that chic one, and then all of my CRTs. And then I ended up rolling $47 in extra bucks. So my total came out to $21.01, plus that beautiful California tax we always talk about. So it made it $31.47, my grand total. But since I rolled 47, that means my total should have been $24.01 for all of this, not including the toilet paper though. And then I did receive all my extra bucks back, and I also received that $10 Epic Beauty gift card for the Chic and the Tresemme shampoo. So this is what it looks like if they have them at your store. It prints out at the end of your receipt, and then all you have to do is tell the cashier and they'll redeem it into like this kind of gift card. So my grand total for this without the toilet paper was $24, and then let's add the toilet paper, which was $5.49, and we got 2 of them. So for everything in this picture, it was $34.98. Remember, we're getting back Ibotta rebates. We're getting $4 for the Eucotex and $3 for the Tresemme. So let's subtract the $4 and then let's subtract the $3. So that's going to make our grand total $27.98 for all this, not including tax. So that makes each item, there's 25 items here, each item only $1.11. I think that is pretty good. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments what you guys think. Guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Stay tuned because I am trying to do some makeup deals, but I can't find that Maybelline beauty bag anywhere. But once I do, I'm going to have some deals of that posted. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!